Umar b. Al-Khattab reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, when the Muaddin says, 'Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest,' and one of you should make this response, 'Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest.' And when the Muaddin says, 'I testify that there is no God but Allah,' one should respond, 'I testify that there is no God but Allah,' and when he says, 'I testify that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah,' one should make a response, 'I testify that Muhammad is Allah's messenger.' When he, the Muaddin, says, 'Come to prayer,' one should make a response, 'There is no might and no power except with Allah.' When he, the Muaddin, says, 'Come to salvation,' one should respond, 'There is no might and no power except with Allah,' and when he, the Muaddin, says, 'Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest,' then make a response, 'Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest.' When he, the Muaddin, says, 'There is no God but Allah,' and he who makes a response from the heart, 'There is no God but Allah,' he will enter paradise.